be showing you the ingredients that you're going to be needing. This one here, it's the bouillon, in Spanish, consommé. Then we have garlic salt, garlic powder, onion powder, rosemary leaves, black pepper, poultry seasoning, sage, and butter. Make sure it's unsalted butter. Okay, the butter is ready. As you can tell, it's a little bit melted, and that's what you want. Then you go ahead and add the garlic salt. Don't be afraid to add a lot because it's a big turkey. Do that. Next we add the garlic powder, the onion powder, pepper, and the rosemary back. The poultry seasoning. This one you don't need much. Okay. And the same thing with the sage. There you go. Next, you okay, next you add the bouillon. And you mix it. Okay, so now we're going to apply the seasoning all over the turkey. First, I'll put it inside. So, go over here. Next, you put it on the top. Make sure you put it under there. Lift the legs up. Okay. What I use instead of regular stuffing, I use vegetables. That include carrots, celery. I use the one that has the leaves. Oranges, bell peppers, onions, Make sure you only put the oranges inside. Make sure that the oranges only go inside the turkey, not outside, okay? Okay, once we're done placing all the vegetables and the orange inside the turkey, you want to tuck in that wings under the turkey. There you go. Okay. Now you want to tie the legs up, and the best way to do it is cross them. All right, once we're done tying the legs, we are going to transfer the turkey over here. Okay, now I'm gonna be placing the turkey timers in the turkey. It lets you know when it's done. So there you go. You put them right here. They pop up. That's when you know it's ready. Okay. So once you're done with that, because you see all this all the seasoning there, you don't want to waste. Okay, you place that. Okay, so now you place all the vegetables inside the bag on the side. There's more on the side: potatoes, carrots, onions. Beautiful checklist doesn't want anything to go to waste. And let's tie up the bag. Okay, the oven has been set up to 425. It's preheated already. So what you want to do is place the rack at the lowest level, because it cooks better. And now we are going to place the turkey in there. And we wait about 3 hours, or when the timers pop up. The timers have pop up. The turkey is done.